Meaning of healthy.
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 Healthy. The term healthy refers to a state of being in good physical, mental, and social condition. A person who is healthy is free from illness, injury, and disease. They have the ability to cope with daily stressors, engage in physical activity, maintain a healthy diet, and form positive relationships. The benefits of being healthy include increased lifespan, improved quality of life, and reduced healthcare costs. Achieving and maintaining good health requires a commitment to self-care through healthy lifestyle choices such as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and avoiding unhealthy habits such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption.